Hi, this is Miss Robin with CCE Seneca County 4-H After School Program, and I'm going to show you how to make a very simple straw rocket, but it's going to hopefully spark an interest in things such as engineering and physics and of course creativity. So let's get started with making a very simple straw rocket, but again it'll include some science as well. So you should have an instruction kit in your kit, and I will just show you what we're going to make with it so it can be a reference for later on. You should have 2 straws, smaller in diameter, 2 larger, and then people call this a template or a pattern or a copy. You need one of those. There should be something in your kit for creativity, so there might be some crayons, there might be colored pencils, or you can choose whatever you like. But we are going to use your crayons or markers to decorate and create your own rocket. So it'll look how you choose it to look. Okay, so that's pretty much what we're going to do. You're going to design the template, colors you choose, then we're going to cut it out. So I think it's easier after you decorate it, or before if you like, as I'm doing, cut a square. So you have your template and then you cut it out like this. And then it's easier to cut along the outline edges of the rocket pattern. So that's pretty much it. So just go ahead and cut the rocket out. And just along the outline. So there's the straw rocket cut out. I have created one with a little 4-H symbol on it, letters. Then you take your straw, and you should have some tape. I hope you have that as well. Tape and scissors, okay, along with the 2 straws, larger straws, 2 other straws. And really, they're extra. You really need the 1 larger straw and the other straw to get started. Okay. The straws I provided have a little bend to them, so if you go ahead and pull that out and then cut kind of the bendy off, really. And then maybe even a little farther down. What we're going to do is tape that onto the rocket. All you're going to do is tape the rocket about halfway up. Move this so you can see. So take your tape, and again, you're just kind of about in the middle-ish of the rocket. Place 1 or 2 pieces of tape to hold the straw on. Then that's pretty much all you do to make the rocket. So again, you take the template, decorate it however you choose, before you cut it or after. Then you have it cut out. Then you clip your straw and tape it on. Then you take your larger straw, and it also should have a bend in it. You can bend it up. You put your rocket in that, and then you give it a launch. And that is a very simple straw rocket. But again, there is engineering involved, science, some force, balance, physics, and fun. So I hope you enjoyed making a straw rocket. Thank you. Have a good day.